Turn. Turn.
Good girl.
Good girl. We've worked this one out quite well, haven't we?
Come on then. Heidi.
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 Come on then. Come on, Heidi. Good girl. Use those legs. Come on then.
Heidi.
It's if I sit in the middle of the pool, no one can get me.
Heidi. Good girl. Keep going.
Come on then. Good girl.
Keep going.
Which way are we sending her? Across or backwards? Backwards first or horseshoe, shall we?
Yeah.
You've got to move now. Come on.
Come on, lazy Bonnie. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, Heidi. Come over here. Come over here. Good girl.
Come on then.
Come on.
Of course, she could.
Good girl. Keep going.
Good girl. Good girl.
That way.
She could actually be feeling more tired if she's done actually more swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she's done more into the jets this time. Well, look, I mean, I haven't seen her for a bit, but
She's certainly doing a lot
she's
more.
using an awful lot better.
Oh, keep going. Keep going. She really knows.
Well done.
She's done 6 minutes so far.